We live in a world surrounded by electronics. Think about your phone, computer, or even your refrigerator. They all rely on tiny components that make them work. One of these essential components is called a resistor. Resistors are like tiny traffic controllers inside your electronics. They control the flow of electricity, ensuring everything works smoothly. Imagine electricity flowing like water through a pipe. A resistor is like a narrow section in the pipe that restricts water flow. Similarly, resistors limit the amount of electrical current passing through them. This control is crucial for protecting sensitive components and ensuring circuits function correctly. Without resistors, our electronic devices wouldn't work as intended. Resistors come in various shapes, sizes, and materials. Some are tiny and cylindrical, while others are larger and rectangular. The material used to make a resistor determines its resistance, which is measured in ohms. The higher the resistance, the more the resistor restricts current flow. Resistance is the opposition to the flow of electrical current. Just like a narrow pipe restricts water flow, a higher resistance limits the amount of current that can pass through. This relationship between voltage, current, and resistance is defined by Ohm's law, which states that voltage equals current multiplied by resistance. V equals Y times R. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a garden hose with water flowing through it. The water pressure is like voltage, the amount of water flowing is like current, and the hose's width is like resistance. A narrow hose or high resistance will allow less water or current to flow through, even if the water pressure or voltage is high. Resistors are essential for controlling current and voltage levels within a circuit. By carefully selecting resistors with specific resistance values, engineers can ensure that each component receives the correct amount of current and voltage to operate properly. There are two main types of resistors: fixed resistors and variable resistors. Fixed resistors have a constant resistance value that cannot be changed. They are commonly used in circuits to limit current, divide voltage, or set specific operating points for other components. Variable resistors, on the other hand, allow you to adjust the resistance value. These are used in applications where you need to control something continuously, like volume control on a stereo or dimming a light. By turning a knob or sliding a lever, you change the resistance of the variable resistor, which in turn alters the current flowing through the circuit. Resistors are incredibly versatile and find applications in countless electronic devices. They are used in everything from smartphones and computers to televisions and medical equipment. You can find resistors in almost every electronic device you use daily. In your smartphone, resistors help regulate battery power, control screen brightness, and filter audio signals. In your computer, they help manage data flow, stabilize power supply, and control fan speeds. Resistors are also crucial in LED lights. They limit the current flowing through the LED, preventing it from burning out. Without resistors, LEDs would quickly overheat and fail. In televisions, resistors help process image signals, adjust screen brightness, and control audio output. The next time you use your phone, watch TV, or even turn on a light, remember the tiny but mighty resistor working behind the scenes. These unsung heroes of the electronics world play a vital role in making our modern lives possible.
Thank you for watching. More of this if you follow, liked, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, Brainwitzers.